I was born into the Hindu religion. I even had a Hindu tattoo on my arm, which is the Om symbol. I was so anti-Islam that even when the azan, the call to prayer, used to come on, I used to be like, oh my God, somebody please shut that thing up. Like, astaghfirullah. I didn't understand the idea of how our culture, the Hindu culture, was separated into different sectors where each sector believes in a different type of God. And one day I was so bored, sat in the library. I didn't want to speak to anyone, face anybody. I picked up a book of Islam in the library. I just walked past the section of Islam and I thought, I just picked the book and I just opened the book and I thought, what is it about their religion that makes them feel so special or feel like they have to stand united with one another? And as I started reading, I remember that is what I was looking for, the oneness of Allah. He is the creator of the universe, of the heavens, of the moons, and the stars. I thought, you know what? This is it. Oh my God. These were the questions that I had always asked myself as a Hindu and a revert to Islam for the last 12 years. Alhamdulillah. Allah chose me to come into Islam to show you this, my slave of me. This is what Islam is.